Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Ali, how are you?
A camera battery.
Yes. Hello, how are you? What's your name? What's your name?
Ali.
Ali. What's your school name, Ali?
Kingston School.
Yes, Kingston School. What's your teacher name?
Ifran.
Yes, thank. Now it's reading time, and now you start. Please reading. Please start here.
Baba Shah was very sad.
Yes. Yes, read this. Read this. Here, read this. Read this. Look down.
Had four grown up sons, but even then he was living.
Yes.
So
Yes, very good.
will be his fields. Stop.
What is this?
Listen to him. They're not working.
Yes. Please speak loud. Please.
All about that. All about.
Please read. Please read.
Why was Baba Shah sad?